Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the new 2021 Rockwood Mini Lite 2511S. This 25-foot, 11-inch rear bath travel trailer weighs just 5,492 pounds. It has 2 slides and sleeps 2 people. As you can see, both slides all along the side. This camper MSRPs at $35,944, but is available at the Zoomer's low price of $24,171 or $197 a month with Zoomer's hassle-free on-site financing and approved credit. As always, you see more pictures and more specs online at zoomersrv.com. Here you'll notice LED light strip underneath the awning, as well as an exterior light. You have triple steps leading up into the camper. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Here we are inside this beautiful lightweight travel trailer. This camper has everything you need for your next getaway. Let's go ahead and start in the central living area. You'll notice in this slide here, we have theater seating. In our theater seating, we have this nice little pop-up that comes with USB port and a place to charge phones or anything else you would need to charge. Of course, you can fold that back up. These seats recline. Pictures online at zoomersrv.com. You have some overhead cabinetry and a 2-door dometic refrigerator. You'll notice that this theater seating is directly across from the TV, soundbar, and fireplace. We have a 3-burner cooktop with glass cover. A 2-basin sink with cutting boards, and a countertop extension that of course can go down. There's some storage underneath and some overhead cabinetry as well. The AC is just above our heads. Before we move to the front bedroom, you'll notice that when you first come in, to your right, we have this nice pantry space. It can also be used for general storage. We also have a place to hang your coats on the other side. Let's go ahead and make our way towards the front bedroom. We have a queen-size bed with overhead cabinetry, nightstands on either side, charging station on this side, and drawer on this side. In proximity to the bed, we have our TV hookups. You also notice this nice drawer here. That is great for remotes, electronics, and the like. When we step back, you see we have this nice sliding door here. We create a private bedroom. And then in this slide here, we have a wardrobe slide. You'll notice we have shelving on one side and hanging storage on the other. Let's go ahead and make our way towards the rear bath. Of course, we have a sliding door here, create a private bathroom. We have a foot flush toilet, lots of foot space. We have a nice shower here with skylight. We have our sink, mirrored medicine closet, as well as our linen closet. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this brand new Rockwood. See pictures and specs or apply for financing online at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.